How to buy and sell gold in XM trading. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up XM trading, then select this option of markets on the left hand side panel, and here you would be able to find this option of gold over here. But gold's market is not available all the time, and when the markets open up, like it will open up in 15 minutes, but when it opens up you would be able to find this option of trade on the right hand side panel. Simply select it, and this way the buy and sell option will appear. Let's check it out on this particular crypto pair, since crypto is always available and the market is always open. So this is how you would be able to see the sell and buy option for the gold as well when the market opens up for gold, and this way you would be able to buy and sell accordingly. Simply select buy and type the quantity. If you want to buy the lot, simply select the lot, and you can also limit the order when the price hits to any particular choice of yours. Simply select this option. This is basically the limit order, and this way you would be able to purchase gold. And in case if you want to sell gold, currently we are just checking it out on the crypto pair, since the market of crypto is open but the gold is not open. I hope you are able to understand that. And for the sell, simply select sell option and select the quantity that you want to sell, and this way you would be able to sell the gold. All you have to do is just select the gold option over here, then select trade, and this way these options will appear for you. And this is how you buy and sell gold on XM trading. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.